at Altus by Oviedo Properties, built by Quorum Group. I'm part of the Pilot House Real Estate Marketing team, here to let you know a little bit about what's going on. So the first 6th floor slab is being poured today, and what this truck is doing is pumping concrete all the way up, and that's going to make the floor of the 6th level. After that, we'll move up to the 7th. Really exciting about this stage is you can start to see the architectural aspects of the building that are going to make it so special and so unique. Standing here at what's going to be the main entrance into Altus. You can see how it's going to be flanked by commercial on either side with the awnings that are being built at the moment. You can also see where you're going to walk in and take the elevator. Kind of fun.